Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious root vegetables. The sweet potato is creamy and soft enough to be an ingredient in several pie recipes, and most people think of the vegetable as merely a dessert ingredient. The sweet potato, also known as the Ipomoea batatas, not only contains many nutrients, but it is also packed with medicinal benefits. Scientists have determined that sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-cancer properties. However, scientists have found that sweet potatoes are among the best sources of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are also naturally packed with vitamin B5, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and carotenoids due to their naturally orange color. Diabetes. The fiber in the sweet potato is also hypothesized to be beneficial for diabetes management. Sweet potatoes are insoluble and they have their own role to play in the fight against diabetes. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are an important source of magnesium, which has also been shown to minimize the risk of individuals developing type 2 diabetes. Antimicrobial properties. Some studies have found that the ethanol and acetone extracts from sweet potato leaves possess antimicrobial properties against bacteria that cause pneumonia and typhoid. Sweet potatoes and their extracts possess antimicrobial activities which can be used in the prevention and treatment of a variety of bacterial pathogens and infections. Vision. Sweet potatoes are incredibly rich in beta-carotene, the antioxidant responsible for the vegetable's bright orange color. In fact, 1 cup, 200 grams of baked orange sweet potato with the skin provides more than 7 times the amount of beta-carotene that the average adult needs per day. Immune system. Orange-fleshed sweet potatoes are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene, a plant-based compound that is converted to vitamin A in your body. It's also key for maintaining healthy mucous membranes, especially in the lining of your gut. The gut is where your body is exposed to many potential disease-causing pathogens. Therefore, a healthy gut is an important part of a healthy immune system. Cancer. Studies have also shown that purple-fleshed sweet potato is especially effective in the fight against cancer. The vegetable's high anthocyanin content is believed to be the reason behind the sweet potato's anti-cancer activity when it comes to gastric and breast cancers. Sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense root vegetables that come in a variety of colors. They're high in fiber and antioxidants, which protect your body from free radical damage and promote a healthy gut and brain. They're also incredibly rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A to support good vision and your immune system.